Keys to Understanding, Basin Region. Located in south-central Oregon and southeastern Idaho, arid climate, ranching and irrigation farming as main economic activities. Cascade Mountain Region, sparsely populated area, climatic and transportation barrier, popular tourist and recreational area. Coastal Region, a long, narrow area adjacent to the vast Pacific Ocean, tourism, recreation, trade, and forest products. Columbia Plateau Region, the largest geographic region encompassing most of eastern Washington and Oregon, plus the upper Snake River Valley of Idaho, agriculture. Columbia River System, major tributaries are the Snake, Willamette, Pend Oreille, Okanagan, and Yakima rivers. Drainage basin about the size of Texas. Hydroelectricity. Puget Sound Trough, sub-region of western lowlands, glaciated area flooded by Pacific Ocean with rich farmlands. Most heavily populated area, urbanized, and major center of industry, trade, and commerce. Rocky Mountains region, rugged terrain covering the Okanagan Highlands, Blue Mountains, and most of Idaho. Forest products, mining, and tourism and recreation. Western Lowlands region, densely populated, industrialized, unurbanized area in the Pacific Northwest. 3 subregions, Puget Sound, Challis, Cowlitz, and Willamette River valleys. Geographic statistics of the Pacific Northwest. Category, Washington. Total area, square miles, is 71,300. Land area in square miles is 66,544. Water area in square miles, 4,756. U.S. ranking by size, 18th. General coastline, 157 miles. Tidal coastline, 3,026 miles. Highest elevation, 14,411, which is Mount Rainier. Lowest elevation, sea level. Highest temperature, 118 degrees Fahrenheit, Ice Harbor Dam. Lowest temperature, negative 48 degrees Fahrenheit, the Mazama or Winthrop. The major rivers are the Columbia, Snake, and Yakima. And the major lakes are Chelan, Moses Lake, and Lake Washington. Coastal region. The coastal region lies along western coastline of United States. This long and very narrow region is only 40 to 70 miles, or 64 to 113 kilometers wide, extending south from the Strait of Juan de Fuca for nearly 500 miles, or 805 kilometers, to California's northern border. The coastal region is an especially beautiful area of the United States. Traveling from north to south, a visitor would see the following features: the Strait of Juan de Fuca, the rugged, snow-capped Olympic Mountains, the evergreen forests in the Olympic Peninsula, broad sandy ocean beaches, the productive Grays Harbor of Chehalis River lowlands, the Willapa Bay and Willapa Hills, the mouth of the Columbia River, Tillamook Bay, the northern coastal range, Coos Bay, the scenic Oregon coast, the turbulent Rouge and Umpqua rivers, and the forbidding Klamath Siskiyou Mountains at the California border. Columbia Plateau. The largest geographic region of the Pacific Northwest is the Columbia Plateau. The region covers about 193,000 square miles, or 499,870 square kilometers. It is the world's second largest lava plateau. Only the Deccan Plateau of southern India is larger. The Columbia Plateau's dimensions are approximately 400 miles, or 644 kilometers, from north to south, and 500 miles, or 805 kilometers, east to west at its widest point. The Columbia Plateau lies between the Cascade Mountains to the west, the Rocky Mountains to the east and north, and the Great Intermontane Basin to the south. The Columbia Plateau region includes most of eastern Washington, eastern Oregon, and the upper Snake River Valley of southern Idaho. The Rocky Mountains. The Rocky Mountain region consists of the largest series of mountain ranges in the Pacific Northwest. The Rocky Mountains encompass thousands of square miles. It extends hundreds of miles north, south, and east-west. Portions of the Rocky Mountains are located in northeastern Washington, eastern Oregon, and most of Idaho. The Rocky Mountain region lies north and east of the adjacent Columbia Plateau region.